Hey everyone, and welcome to our video where we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Air Fryer. If you're in the market for a new air fryer, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Starting with pricing, the Secura Air Fryer XL comes in at $70, while the Air Fryer is priced at $122. It's clear that the Secura is the more affordable option if you're looking to save some money. When it comes to capacity, the Secura Air Fryer XL wins with a 5.3 quart basket that can hold up to 5.0 liters of food. The Air Fryer's basket is not specified, so it's safe to assume that it is smaller than the Secura. Both the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Air Fryer offer a variety of cooking options, including frying, roasting, baking, and grilling. The Air Fryer boasts a 200 degrees high temperature to remove fat for less greasy food. The Secura Air Fryer XL, however, heats up in just 3 minutes, which is great for busy lifestyles. The Air Fryer claims to be very easy to operate with a timed temperature control and one-button start. The Secura Air Fryer XL has adjustable controls for temperature and a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off alerts when food is done. Both come with bonus accessories and air fryer recipes for additional versatility. Cleaning the Secura Air Fryer XL is a little more involved than the Air Fryer. The Secura requires a hand wash of the pull-out drawer and removable basket. The Air Fryer just requires a simple hand wash of the same. And there you have it, our comparison of the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Air Fryer. Which air fryer would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews.